We are very delighted to have Ms. Ute, the Deputy Director General from GCC with us today. Just a while ago, we had a very insightful panel discussion, and we had insights from the German companies as well as from the Indian apex body IMTMA on what we are looking ahead from participation point of view from the Indo-German companies in IMTEX. Ma'am, if you could give us more insight and if you could help us to understand what kind of handholding or what kind of encouragement would you be giving to the companies who are looking or are planning at participating in IMTEX?
Yeah, the Indo-German Chamber of Commerce regularly supports German companies in their participation at IMTEX. We've been successfully doing that now for several decades, and we're looking forward to support for the next edition that takes place in January 2025. We're looking forward to support German companies to either come under the club pavilion, German pavilion that is targeted, or also have, if they wish to, a separate presentation booth. And of course, our team, who's very experienced, is looking forward for any kind of supporting requests, hand-holding that we can give to make this a success, because the Indian machine tool manufacturing sector is a crucial element of the Indian economy. It is set to grow towards the next years, and of course, as Indo-German Chamber of Commerce, we would like to contribute to this. Machine tool manufacturing is also supporting and helping other sectors grow, like automotive, like electronics, like aero, like the capital goods market. So all of this will also be beneficial and a chain of impact in the whole economy.
So as Ms. Ute just said that there will be many emerging sectors in the show where visitors would flock in, and it's going to be a bigger show, and I'm sure IGCC will also have a bigger participation of the companies in the show. So if you are interested and if you're really planning to get IMTEX, IGCC is your body to help you out.
Certainly, please contact us, and yeah, we will try to help you where we can.